Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Today I am back again with another tutorial. Hope you are all doing fine. In this tutorial I will be showing you how to design a multicolor patch neck design for your kurtis, tops and gowns. This neck design is also decorated with anchor threads. It looks great on kurtis. For this design, as I mentioned, you will be in need of anchor threads. These are easily available in the local market. I will be using these two fabrics. Let's start to draft by using this interfacing or stiff. This is of 16 inches length and 14 inches in width. Start by folding this stiff. Now we will start marking the measurement on this folded stiff. For this neck design, the neck width is 6 inches and the neck depth is also 6 inches. But as we are folding the stiff, we will be taking the actual half of the neck width, that is 3 inches. The neck depth will remain same, that is 6 inches. Make a box here. To give the neck a proper shape, make a curve by coming down 2.5 inches and give a curved V neckline by using this curve scale. Now extend 3 inches from the neck width point and 9 inches from the neck depth point. Make a box here to draw the outline of our neck. Now we are going to shape the outline of our neck. I am going to make the pointed top and curved bottom outline for our neck design with multiple divisions in it. You can change the shape and the division of our outline if you want to. I have made a total of 8 divisions, 4 on the top, 2 in the center and 2 in the bottom. We are going to use 2 different colors of fabric in these divisions. Now we are going to cut the neck from the borders of the outline. We have to assign colors to these divisions that we have just made. After assigning the colors, cut out all the divisions from the outline. Now paste these pieces of stiff on their respective fabrics as marked before. After pasting it on the fabric, cut these pieces by leaving a gap of ½ inch. These are the attached pieces of the stiff. Now we have to stitch these on the fabric with anchor threads. This is how the pieces look after being stitched with anchor thread. Now we have to align all these pieces in the order of our neck design. First attach these two pieces and then these two pieces and these two pieces. This is how a multicolor patch neck design looks like after it is stitched up. We still have to give it a final finishing touch where we have to stitch the borders. I have now completed designing the multicolored patch neckline. This is another type of neck design I have stitched recently. Now I will attach one of these to a kurti. This is how it looks after being attached to the kurti. You can be creative and try different patterns and colors on it. So friends, this was today's tutorial. Thanks for watching. Remember to like this video if you find it helpful. Subscribe my channel for more tutorials like this. Stay safe. Assalamu alaikum.